I tried filling a cheap off-grid wooden barrel tub on a freezing night, only to watch the water leak through unswelled staves while the external stove boiled dry. It ruined a weekend getaway. Finding a reliable wood-fired hot tub completely transforms outdoor relaxation. Today, we rank the top 5 best wood-fired hot tubs. 5. Dutchtub Original. It is an absolute design icon that looks like a piece of modern art sitting on any patio. The concept relies on a built-in exterior metal spiral stove that uses natural thermosiphon circulation to pull cold water from the bottom, heat it through the fire, and push it out the top. The minimalist off-grid philosophy means there are zero pumps, electronics, or complex cords to worry about. During testing, I loved the total silence of the soak. No humming motors or digital displays breaking the peace. It is lightweight enough that 2 people can pick it up and relocate it across a yard, which offers fantastic placement flexibility for changing seasonal views or backyard layouts. However, the Dutchtub comes with frustrating performance trade-offs. Because the iconic spiral heating coil is completely exposed to the open air, a significant amount of thermal energy is lost directly into the atmosphere rather than warming your water. This drastically stretches out your initial heat-up time, often requiring several hours of diligent fire tending before the water reaches a comfortable soaking temperature. Furthermore, winter performance is exceptionally challenging. When testing in colder weather, the lack of insulated sidewalls means the water cools down rapidly the moment your fire dies down, forcing you to keep feeding logs constantly just to maintain heat. While its aesthetic charm is undeniable, these thermal efficiency hurdles place it at the bottom of our list. 4. Kirami Original Breezy. Kirami is a legendary name in Scandinavian wood-fired bathing, and the Breezy model delivers a robust traditional aesthetic built around a deep, rot-molded plastic inner tub encased in high-quality exterior wood paneling. The structure feels immensely sturdy and reliable, designed to handle harsh northern climates without breaking a sweat. The internal water circulation relies on an efficient, marine-grade aluminum external stove that attaches directly to the side of the tub. During my test runs, lighting this stove was remarkably straightforward thanks to the clever draft design, and it transferred heat into the water much faster than exposed coil systems. The deep, ergonomic interior seat molding makes settling in for a long evening soak surprisingly comfortable. Yet the Breezy has a few notable drawbacks that affect daily usability. The external stove requires careful clearance space on your patio, meaning it has a much larger overall spatial footprint than compact vertical designs. If you have a narrow deck or a tightly restricted backyard layout, positioning this tub safely while allowing room to load firewood can become a logistical headache. Another frustration is the drainage system. Emptying the massive water volume requires managing a low-profile valve that drains slowly, and without an integrated pump, you are entirely at the mercy of gravity. While it offers a genuine, authentic Nordic soaking experience with solid build quality, the bulky footprint and cumbersome drainage keep it from climbing higher. 3. Alumitubs Wood-Fired Hot Tub. Unpacking this beauty reveals a brilliant hybrid construction. A marine-grade aluminum interior shell wrapped tightly in gorgeous, aromatic Canadian cedar wood paneling. It merges the absolute best of modern durability with traditional outdoor aesthetics. The interior aluminum skin is a total game-changer for maintenance. Unlike traditional all-wood barrels that require constant water monitoring to keep the wood swollen and leak-free, the Alumitubs build is watertight from day one. During testing, I was blown away by how quickly the high-efficiency submersible stove brought the water up to temperature, cutting down the weighting gain significantly compared to external coil models. The thermal retention is equally impressive. Thanks to the smooth, non-porous aluminum surface and well-fitted cedar framing, the water stayed warm hours after the fire went out. Cleaning is also wonderfully simple. A quick wipe down of the smooth metal interior removes debris effortlessly without needing harsh chemical treatments or endless scrubbing. The craftsmanship gives you total peace of mind, backed by robust structural warranties. Whether you place it deep in a remote forest cabin or on a modern suburban deck, it provides an authentic, low-maintenance wood-fired ritual. It strikes a magnificent balance between rustic charm and modern engineering reliability. Two, Skargards Rojal wood-fired hot tub. This is a masterclass in Scandinavian luxury, featuring an integrated interior wood-burning stove submerged directly inside the tub itself, protected by a sleek wooden safety partition. The exterior is crafted from thermally modified timber, giving it a rich, dark finish that resists weather elements and decay masterfully. The standout feature during my testing was the sheer heating efficiency of the submerged stainless steel stove. Because the firebox sits right inside the water jacket, virtually 100% of the radiant heat goes directly into warming the bath rather than escaping into the air. I timed the heat-up phase, and it reached peak soaking temperature much faster than any external system I evaluated. The ergonomic seating layout inside the fiberglass liner supports your back naturally, allowing for hours of comfortable relaxation. The included insulated cover is heavy-duty and locks in heat so effectively that you can often wake up the next morning and find the water still pleasantly warm. It represents the pinnacle of refined, efficient off-grid engineering. Operating the Rojal feels smooth and intuitive, from lighting the morning fire to enjoying a tranquil evening under the stars. While it requires a bit of interior caution around the stove partition when entering and exiting with guests, its brilliant heat efficiency and stunning craftsmanship make it a phenomenal choice for serious enthusiasts. 1. Goodland wood-burning hot tub. This minimalist masterpiece is designed specifically for those who prioritize pure aesthetics, premium materials, and an uncompromised connection to nature. Crafted from marine-grade aluminum and wrapped in stunning western red cedar, it arrives with a lightweight, elegant profile that looks breathtaking in any outdoor setting. The performance of the Goodland tub is peerless. It utilizes a highly efficient, custom-engineered external marine-grade aluminum firebox that creates a powerful natural thermal draw, pulling water through the system rapidly and heating the entire tub evenly without requiring any electric pumps. During my rigorous testing, the simplicity of starting the fire, listening to the gentle crackle of wood, and watching the steam rise provided an unmatched meditative ritual. Maintenance is an absolute dream. Because it uses smooth, non-toxic aluminum and premium cedar rather than complex mechanical jets or filters, you can easily drain, rinse, and refill the tub with fresh water naturally. There are no expensive filters to replace or complex circuit boards to fail, ensuring a completely maintenance-free ownership experience for years to come. Goodland has perfected the balance between rugged off-grid durability and modern luxury design, holds its temperature wonderfully with the insulated cover, and turns an ordinary evening into an unforgettable sensory experience. Combining timeless craftsmanship, effortless upkeep, and exquisite design, the Goodland wood-burning hot tub is undeniably the best wood-fired hot tub you can buy. Ready to take the plunge? Choosing the best wood-fired hot tub ultimately comes down to matching your backyard aesthetic with your lifestyle needs. Whether you are seeking an off-grid oasis or simply want to escape the hum of a traditional electric heater, a wood-fired tub offers a truly grounding, sensory experience. Before you make your final choice, keep these key takeaways in mind. Prioritize materials. Opt for high-quality cedar or spruce for that traditional rustic aroma, or choose a model with a stainless steel or fiberglass liner for effortless maintenance and longevity. Size for your space. Be realistic about how many people will actually be soaking at once. A massive tub takes significantly more water, wood, and time to heat. Embrace the ritual. Remember that heating water with wood takes patience. Chopping the wood, tending the fire, and stirring the water isn't a chore. It is part of the relaxation process. Pro tip: don't forget to check your local zoning regulations or HOA guidelines regarding open flames and wood smoke before installing your new tub.